Hello and welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, welcome. My name's Janae. In today's video, we are heading over to Hobby Lobby because they have officially rolled out all of their fall decor. All their fall items have hit the shelves and I am super excited. I know that we're still in July, but as you know, things from Hobby Lobby sell out so quickly, especially their popular items. So I wanted to get this video up and out to you all to show you what they have. And just in case you missed something last year, you can go pick it up early this year. So one section that I like to start out with is their faux pumpkins. I feel like they do a fantastic job of faux pumpkins. They look super realistic. They have a ton of different colors and styles. I try to buy at least 2 to 3 every year just to slowly add to my collection. They also brought back their glass pumpkins. I picked up 2 last year and I styled it throughout the entire fall season. They are super high-end looking. They come in a large and a small size, and I love the brown amber glass. They look really beautiful paired together.
Oh, I wish it never ended. I held on with all my might, still waiting on that last goodbye. See you standing by the door, watching the leaves as they fall once more. In the silence we made, I couldn't find the words to say.
They have a massive selection of garland right now. They also have some really good wreaths. I spotted this magnolia leaf wreath, and then I saw this white, almost berry stem looking wreath. Now, I don't know if this is new. If they had it last year, I did not notice it, but it definitely caught my attention on this trip. I think it's stunning. It came in a wreath and also a garland version, and I don't know, I just love the tones of it. It's like nice and cream. It's very simple, very neutral, but it still has a really good fall feel to it. I think this garland would be stunning styled on a console table. Now, switching over to a different section, this was on the opposite side of the spectrum. This was a very bright orange little faux tree. So if you like more of those bright orange colors for fall, this is so cute. It also lights up, which I think is such a cute little touch. I just love the whole style of it. I think this would be stunning if you styled it in like a kitchen window or maybe on like a mantle. It's just so cute. Moving over to their stems, I think most of us can agree that Hobby Lobby has probably the best selection for fall stems. Right away, I noticed these hydrangeas, and these are stunning. They remind me so much of ones that I have from Pottery Barn. They have a very similar look. To be completely honest, I think I like these ones even a little bit better. I also spotted a lot of burgundies and yellows. I really want to bring in some yellow this year for fall, but again, kind of sticking with those burgundy tones, they have a ton of selection. These ones in particular remind me so much of ones that I have from West Elm that I got last year that were like triple the price, but these have such a high-end look to them. I love how muted they are. You can get away with probably 1 or 2 and kind of go for that more sparse look, but I think these are beautiful. I also saw that they brought back their purple stems that are a great dupe for the semi-suffuga stems that they sell over at a Floral that are super popular. And I wouldn't say this is like an exact dupe, but this is a great look for less. They come in a stem version, and then I also saw that they have it in a garland version. So if you don't want to spend the money on those ones, this is a great alternative. Last year, I picked up a couple of these orange cosmos, and I used mine to style with my Halloween decor because I loved the tone of the orange. I love that it gave that vibrant pop of color, but still keeping it kind of light and playful. I also spotted these little brown stems. These are in more of like a pick form, and if you are looking to style a smaller space, maybe like some floating shelves, these are a really cute option. I also really like these maple leaf picks. I'm thinking of grabbing a couple of these and potentially using them as a garland for my coffee bar to do like a little DIY. I just love how natural and realistic they look, and obviously they're very affordable. You can get a ton of them for a great price. This little fall light up house is super cute. It's been really popular. I've seen so many people post about it, but I can see why it's such a cute little decor piece, and I love that it lights up. Would be super cute styled on some shelves. I spotted these icon glass straws, and I love using these during any season, fall, Halloween, Christmas. It's just such a festive little touch with your drinks. These only priced at $6.99 at 40% off, so super affordable. Now moving over to their framed art section. I don't typically buy a whole lot of art from Hobby Lobby. I would prefer to just get my art from Etsy, print it out, and then put it into my own frames. But I wanted to check it out just to kind of see what they have and just browse this whole section just to see if they had anything that caught my attention or if they had anything new. Moving over to some of their glassware, I spotted some icon glasses that they had, and I love to collect these. I already have so many, so I really can't pick up any more, but if you are looking for a cute little icon glass, these are super affordable and obviously very simple. They have a little fall touch to them, and it's just a fun, festive way to have your drinks. They also had these really pretty amber glass ribbed wine glasses. I don't know if this is actually a wine glass, but that's what I would use it for. And I think the tone of this amber glass is so pretty. It looked very high end. I also saw this little amber glass pumpkin mug that had a little handle on it, and then the black and white straw. I think it's super cute. This would be a cute way to have some iced coffee if you're on the go. They have all their pumpkin candles out, and it would not be the fall season without some Hobby Lobby pumpkin candles. I picked up one last year, and I think it was probably my most used candle for the fall season. I just loved the color and the scent of it. I also spotted this little flameless pinecone candle. This would be cute for fall or for Christmas time as well. And then I spotted this flameless pumpkin candle, and this was stunning. I loved it. I loved the tone of the green. It looks very designer. The last section that I browsed was their ribbon, and I really wanted to check out this section this year because I wasn't able to get my hands on some that I wanted last year, and I have some DIYs and some crafts in mine, so I came to browse this section, and they have so many good ones to choose from, whether you want to do some solids or if you like more of that crushed velvet or some patterns. They are fully stocked right now, so if you are in the market for some good affordable ribbon, definitely go check out Hobby Lobby right now. All right, we're back home. I hope that you enjoyed the shop with me portion. As you can see, they have so much out right now. I, of course, had to pick up a couple things. I did not get too many things. This is kind of a smaller haul, but I wanted to share with you because some of these items were things that I wasn't able to pick up last year. So let's start with some of the smaller pieces. Honestly, most of these things I didn't get anything like super crazy. Is this little orange crushed velvet ribbon. I got this last year actually from Amazon because I wanted to get it from Hobby Lobby and they didn't have it. but this particular color is what I love. I use this throughout the season for crafts or just for different projects that I have going on for fall time. I think it's perfect. This was only priced at $5.99, and right now Hobby Lobby has 40% off. You typically can catch their sales, I think, every other week. I don't know if that's still how they do it, because I've been in twice now on different weeks, and both times it was 40% off. So maybe they're just running that consistently, but this was very affordable and I love this color. The next thing I grabbed are these fall icon glass straws that you guys saw in the shop with me. I could not pass these up. I think they're so classic and cute. It comes in a pack of 4. It has the 2 pumpkins and then the 2 fall leaves. I love icon glass straws. They're just so fun and festive to use during the season. And this is something that I don't feel like you should splurge on. Like, I know you can get them on Etsy or you can get them on designer websites, and they tend to run like in the $20, $30 range. And I just don't feel like it's necessary to spend that. So I have never seen these at Hobby Lobby before. Maybe they had them and I just missed them, but I really liked these ones. And they were only priced at $6.99 at 40% off. And I will show you guys what they look like so you can see the height. This is how they're shaped. They're a nice good size. They have the little curved detail at the top, and they're just so cute. All right, the next thing that I grabbed, this was kind of like an impulse buy, but it's this little orange pitcher. And I really want to do my fall decor this year like bright. I want to do a lot of oranges, a lot of yellows. Like, I want it to scream fall in my house. I don't want to be super neutral this year. And I love this orange color. This is a great little size pitcher. I'm going to use it on my coffee station just for my coffee creamer. I like the little detail at the bottom, and this was only $7.49. This guy's really cute. All right, this next item is my favorite thing that I picked up in the entire haul. Also, my cat decided to join us, so if you see him moving around, just don't mind him. But it is this beautiful flameless candle. Now, I missed out on these last year. As soon as I went back to go get one last year, they were completely sold out. So I definitely wanted to grab one this year. And right now they are fully stocked. They have this color, and then they also have that green color that you guys saw in the shop with me. But these, you guys, these are so good. I can see why everyone went crazy over them last year. They look identical to the ones at Pottery Barn, and these ones are much more affordable. I love this color. It's so stunning. It takes 2 batteries, and it does also have a timer, which is really nice. But the light on this is like a beautiful soft glow. Oh, I just love it. I cannot say enough good things about it. If you missed out on getting one last year, or if you're in the market for a flameless candle, definitely check out Hobby Lobby. These are incredible. All right, the last items I picked up are some stems. The first ones are these hydrangeas. I really fell in love with the color on these. I think they just scream fall. I like that they have more of the muted tones in them. They have that really pretty orange, more of like a muted kind of mustardy yellow, and then browns. I also really love that they didn't do the leaves green. They almost carried that color palette down throughout the leaves, which I thought was a really nice touch. These were priced at, let's see, they were priced at $10.99. I got them at 40% off, so super affordable. I picked up 7 of them, and I already arranged these in like a larger pot that I have on my dining table, and they filled it out perfectly. So really love these ones. They also had it in that more dark burgundy color that you guys saw in the shop with me. But these ones are beautiful, and I highly recommend them. All right, and then the last stem that I picked up are these orange ones. I am just so drawn to this color. To me, this just screams fall. I love this burnt muted orange. It's not too in your face, but it still definitely has a fall feel to it. These looked very realistic to me. I love the leaves. They are definitely more muted, and they have kind of that yellow undertone to them. These feel really good quality too. These were a little bit pricey for Hobby Lobby. These were priced at $13.99 a bundle, but again, you get them at 40% off, and I think they're just priced a little bit higher because the quality of these feels really nice. I haven't noticed that they shed yet, so I'll keep you guys updated on that because I cannot stand stems that like make a mess and get everywhere, but so far these have been really great. I only got one because I'm gonna put them in a smaller pot, and I think I'm gonna style these on my shelves. But I just love them. I think they're so pretty. Okay, so that is a wrap on today's video. I hope that you enjoyed the shop with me and today's little mini haul. I have lots more fall content coming up in the near future, so get ready. I hope that you guys are already ready for that. If you guys did enjoy today's video, please don't forget to give me a like and subscribe. I would love for you to join me over here on YouTube. As always, thank you so much, and I will see you guys in my next video.